Okay, I'll ask you guys, what's the easiest way to score a try? Right, just beat the man. So that'll be the first start point, right? So we do the ball grip and then talk about how do we beat the man. I'll tell you what, we'll start in the middle of these two green cones. Okay, Jaden, you're gonna run to that cone. Jamie, you're gonna run to that cone. Just turn. Jamie, all I want you to do is just get a two-handed touch on both, left hand on his right shoulder, right hand on his left shoulder. Jaden, use the grip, and I just want you to use your footwork. I just want you to beat him and score a try on his cone. No pressure.
Go. Go on, Jamie. Go on, Jamie.
Oh, I'll give him the try. He didn't get it. You got to get it on the shoulders there. Yeah, you got to get it on the shoulders. So, what are the methods that I could use to help me beat the man? So, what did Jaden do? Footwork. Okay, what part of the foot was he using? Was he kind of, okay, was it big steps, little steps? Lots of short, sharp, choppy steps. Okay, and where did he try to get to? Round him. Okay, he didn't just try and run through him. All right. So if I'm attacking, if Jaden's attacking Jamie, and he just goes steps to the left, where do you think the ball needs to get to? So if I step right, where does the ball go? Come here, Jamie. Come and take the ball off me. Come and take the ball off me, Jamie. So what am I doing? Yeah, but forget the handoff. What am I doing? Moving the ball away from him. So actually we want to move the ball away from the tackler. And just working on the ball transfer. So Jamie, what I'd like you to do is just move the ball to one side. So press the ball into your S on your serious stuff. Okay, and then take your left shoulder to his left shoulder. Okay, and fend. No. Sorry, his left hand to his left shoulder. Okay, fend, and then back to two. And then press the ball into your Hampton badge, and then take your right hand to his right shoulder. Okay, so we go from two hands to one hands to two hands. Okay, so all I want you to do is just knock out maybe 3 off each side, and then swap over. Okay, it doesn't need to. You're not pushing him away properly. Just tap through. Okay, try and make it quick. Okay, stop there. So I now want you to have a go. Okay, so think about that 10 points of contact. Think about gripping the ball, not cupping the ball, and press it into your badge on your shirt, okay? When you're ready, go. So he's already putting it, so if you come around here and have a look, so what he's done is he's cupping the ball, which basically then means that he's got less control over the ball. So actually what we want him to do is have half of his 10 points of contact. A similar thing is how do you hold on to the ball so that you can actually do the things you want to do on it and do the creative stuff. Okay. So and all I would say is, so when mind you going, oh, I'm terrible now. Right, okay, so all I would say is like, it's a difference of a thumb, and all you're looking to do is press your fingers in the ball and remember those, I need half your 10 points of contact, okay? So then what we would do, okay, is I want early footwork. So on the front, on the top of the balls of your foot, a ball pump, left or right, whichever way you want, fill your boots. Okay, have a look at his feet. Okay, see which way he goes. All I want you to do is have a little two-hand touch on his shoulder, and I want you to go 2, 1, 2, okay, and just move the ball away with a fend. Okay, let's go. Okay, and back to 2, okay. What did Jamie do with his hips once he stood to one side of him? What did Jamie do with his hips? Do you notice? So come here, have a look here, boys. So go do it again. So come here, boys, have a look. Tell me what he's doing with his hips. Which way are they pointing? At the end, which way are they pointing? Square? Are they going back forwards again? So what did he do in order to get around him on the outside? What did he do with his hips? So he stepped, but what happened with his hips? He turned them so he could get to the side and then square them up. So I want you to think of like a car, okay? When you turn the corner, what are you doing with the steering wheel and the wheels? You turn them, right? What happens to the chassis of the car? It turns the corner. In order to then go in a straight line, what are you doing with the wheels with the chassis? So you put the wheels in line with the chassis. So we call it chassis and wheels. Your legs are the wheels and your body's the chassis. And so all we're actually doing is when we're stepping and ball pumping and fending, let's say we ball pump there and then we fend and step this way, we actually want to go chassis and wheels and square up and then go forwards again, 2, 1, 2.